Please visit our playlists. Photoshop with t-shirt printing, Corel Draw with t-shirt printing, YouTube tips, film or video editing tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials, makeup tutorials, military news update, sorry, skincare, travel vlog, chess assassin playlist. Shout out to the following:
Bia, El Prisco. Here, in this position, if white is not careful, black may draw white to play and win. Now white is threatening mate by rook to h7. So the check is forced. A clever move with check, black is forced to capture with the knight. And checkmate. Instead of king to e7, what if white goes to d6, then, black may draw as follows. Black cannot capture the knight, because white is threatening mate on h7. White is forced to capture the rook, and it's stalemate.
That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.